I have been working with these clients for a number of years, and when I first started working with them, the kids were little, so the basement worked perfectly for them. It was open space, it was carpeted, the kids could run around and play, and they had room for hockey and doll houses. But now the kids have grown up and they're teenagers, so it was time for a change. The wish list was probably one of the craziest ones I've ever had, and the number one thing was to design around a ping pong table, which I had never done in my design career, but I was up for the challenge. The second thing on the wish list was that they realized that their multifunctional basement was kind of multi-blah? Is that a word? Multi-blah? No. The third thing on the wish list was to make the space very contemporary and clean and modern, but still warm. Their aesthetic in the rest of the house is very, very modern, so we wanted to make sure that the basement reflected that as well. We did hit the jackpot architecturally in this space. It's a walkout basement, so there's tons of natural light. It really feels like you're on the main floor, not the basement, which went so far in what we were able to do with the design. Our choice of flooring was crucial. The kids come in and out from the pool, so we wanted something that was durable, that would last a long time, but still felt like really modern. We went with this oversized 24 by 48 porcelain tile, which is so gorgeous. It almost feels like suede and just adds this really calm aesthetic to the room. With the gray floor, we really needed to add some warmth, so we brought in some oak paneling on one of the back walls, and we did some oak shelves, and it really serves to warm the space up. It feels cozy, but it also feels clean and very contemporary. We have a great sectional, 2 occasional chairs, lots of comfy pillows. It's very layered and textured. We have an oversized flicotti rug, which is like I love. You could just roll around in it. And when the TV arrives, which it hasn't, it's going to go where the lovely Juju is, and it will be a great viewing spot for this family. The third space, we added some walls at the back of the room, and then we put in a nice little gym in there. For contrast, we painted it dark. It feels kind of moody, and it also gives you this privacy where you can go work out and not be getting hit by ping pong balls. When you're doing a contemporary space, it can sometimes feel cold, and I don't like that. So I really like to bring in warm elements that still feel modern. In this case, we brought in these beautiful baskets. They're all from Pimlico. I love that store. And they just really come together to add that texture. The other trick, and I have lots of people, kind of give me pushback on this, but I like real plants in a space, real trees. I know it takes a little extra time to take care of them, but I actually think it's really worth it. They add just that happy, warm, almost tropical vibe.